Hello guys, what's up? Today this is my game, guys. Oh, one of my friends is going to the elevator, crazy thing. Guys, this is my game. Guys. Guys, this is one office, medical, or a hospital, the thing that you want to call. This is and this game have a US elevator of 1991. This building is made in 1991. 35 years old is all I know. Yeah, the guy is good. In this game is have firearms too. The firearms is Fareday signal mechanical horns firearms. Yeah, guys, this is a building. This is my game, guys. I made this game, guys. I want to see this link of this game. So you want to go to this game, go to my profile. And look. You see the link, guys? Go here because it's super cool. Yeah. But guys, let's go see the elevator and enjoy the game. There is have a US elevator of the 1991. I make this game, guys. This US elevator of 1991. This elevator is super small, guys. This elevator is super small. I don't know why reason, because I want to make it for me, but this is small. I don't know. AC. Nothing just open, guys, because this is a hospital, of the 90s building. This is the 90s building, bro. I make this game. And this means how is the elevator. Guys, why the fire is not poor? Because the guy can pour the fire is people can have admin only. Hey guys, in Violeta Money's game, you not can put the fire, just the people kids have admin. Hey guys, I don't like people put fire alarms because number one is loud, number two the guys is no, I don't know receive the fire alarms. And number three is playing with that. And no put fire alarms in my game. Just me and police and pro peoples. Kids know and Weird game and Jax. Kids live fire is coming to my game. Okay? It can pull that, okay? But more people's no, it's from staff only. Oh, look at my emojis. It's pro. See? No fire alarms. See, you want to pull the fire alarm, guys? Look, it's happening. It can pull it. Wah, ha, ha, ha. You not can, bro. Let's go downstairs. Guys, look at this walking place. It's just on USB. Guys, the fire is working, but Yuna can pull it. See, his stuff only is can. This pulsation this time is working because this is a staff pulsation. Anybody can outside to the building. See, from outside the building is staff only and people can have admin only. Just What the hell? Are you kidding me, bro? Hey, young guys. Only crowd. Bro, you see that? Guys, I don't have connection, so I back. Yeah, guys. Crazy thing, but yeah. Guys, now let's go testing the fire alarms. Oh my gosh. Why the peoples and the signal is streaming my videos? I don't like that. Everybody's not like the stream his video, but bro, it's let me fly, guys. From pulling the fire, from going outside in the building, just fly out to the wall because the people keep going outside the building just keep have admin only or staff because you not can going outside the building anywhere, anyway. See, this pool station, yes, is where the time lock because this is a staff pool station. Anybody can go outside here, so yeah. Let's go pull it. Fareday signal in 3, 2, 1, pull down. Stop. Let me have admin to Bennett. This is my best friend, respecting him, guys. There we go. But guys, I going to play with Bennett, I think so. Let me stop the video. But guys, say me. 1 minute, hold on. Okay. Yeah. But guys, oh my gosh. You like my hospital? Building, guys. My building of 1991 and my elevator US 1991 and my Fareday signal fires of the 90s and 80s. Subscribe. But guys, I'm going to stop the video because Bennett is talking to me. Wait. Yes, Bennett. I going to play with Bennett. Sorry. But guys, if you like this video, subscribe. Bye bye.